Hello friends, welcome back to Aligned Plans. I am so glad that you are here. And as you can tell by the title, in today's video, we're going to be unboxing, finally it has arrived, we're going to be unboxing the November sub box from Cloth and Paper. If you are new to the channel, well, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. I am one of the biggest planner enthusiasts and I wanted to create this channel so that we use minimalist planning tools in the most intentional way as the beautiful intentional tools that they are designed to be. So if that sounds good, you would probably like it here. You would probably subscribe. I would recommend it. We chat at least 1 to 2 times a week here, unboxing boxes just like Cloth and Paper. So if you're new to Cloth and Paper, then you might want to stick around. Okay, let's just dive right in. First and foremost, I wanted to point out that if you are in Canada, be warned, ladies and gentlemen, because so when you pay for extra shipping with Cloth and Paper to have your box sent out a little bit faster, they might actually stop it at customs. And if they do, there's a chance that they will charge you extra. So just keep that in the back of your mind if you are brand new to Cloth and Paper, and if you're new to their sub box and you wanted to receive it a little bit faster, then you're taking your chances on maybe it will get stopped at customs. It doesn't happen all the time, but when it does, it's kind of a stinger. Okay, let's just unbox this guy. I have to say, I've already opened it because I was super curious, so don't hate. Here is the card that it comes with. So today what we'll do is I will unbox this whole thing, and then after that we'll actually set it up in my planner. So here's the little preview of what it comes with. And then here we go. So it comes with this beautiful notebook, which we will unwrap momentarily. Let me just take everything out so that we can get rid of the box. Let's unpack what it comes with. So it looks like we have some planner stickers, and we have some of the icons. It looks like we are getting into, it looks like Cloth and Paper is getting into more of the smaller icons, as well as like we still have the teardrops. And if you remember, if you have been subscribed to Cloth and Paper, we have been moving into these types of really, it's almost like a thick, I don't even know what material this is, but these thicker, almost like I don't want to say Velcro. I'm not sure what this is. It's more like plastic type of stickers, and everything is like very clean. Hopefully you can actually see it. Here we go. You can see it like this. Let me adjust my light so you guys can see. So this is what they've been getting into, and looks like we have now some teardrops as well as some drops. So I'm excited to use that. And then for the actual stickers, you have important, to do, reminder, email, meeting, call, and payday. So it looks like we're getting into more functional stickers, which is lovely. Then we have a pocket folder, a transparent pocket folder, which I'm assuming is going to be for your notebook. We have a couple of dashboards. And I'm so excited about this, you guys. Like, I'm not sure if the camera is picking up the color, but it's this beautiful matte semicircle sticky notes. You get 25 sheets of each. I wanted to, let me unpack, and then we'll actually maybe just use it in the actual planner. And then what do we have in here? So we're getting the January card. Oh, very cool. So you have do everything for your future self. Love it. I feel like we're very much moving into, in January, we're moving into more intentionality, more of like really being conscious of sort of like who you want to be, really. Like, it's almost like, I feel like maybe the theme is like manifestation. It doesn't really feel like that from here, but we have self-respect. Yeah, it doesn't really give you much of a clear theme. Yeah, clairvoyance. Yeah, definitely we're getting more into the woo, which I'm all about that life. And then M. Oh, M for morning routine, not M for Meshi. Okay, let's set everything up. Let me grab my planner, and then we can kind of, well, first of all, I wanted to unpack this because I've been so excited about this. I've seen this And of course I only have tweezers here. For some reason, I didn't keep any. Let me unpack this off camera, and then after that we can start putting things into my planner. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I have unpacked basically everything, so I'm not actually crinkling with the paper because that can get really annoying sometimes. I did find the tool, so we're making progress here. All right, I wanted to show you something before we do anything else. This is just a quick tip. So whenever you're unpacking your dashboards, well, first of all, I just kind of set it aside for the time being. Keep the covers, because what you might end up doing is as you grab your planner, like I am right now. So if I decide that I wanted to remove this guy, which I do, then what I can do is immediately I can take it out and I can put it back into a cover to keep it protected. Even if this wears off, it doesn't really matter, but at least it kind of goes back into a sleeve and it's nice and protected, and that way I know I'm not going to be using this again for the time being, and then I can kind of replace it with something else. I don't want to replace it with this, but I just wanted to remove that. Okay, I think we're done with space. I think we're done with this one for now. I usually like to keep these covers. I don't necessarily keep like the one that the little sticky note came in. I usually just toss it just because it's really hard to preserve. It's really hard for me to preserve like those tiny packaging, but with these bigger ones, they're a little bit easier. And hopefully I can get it in without the adhesive sticking. It takes practice, I swear. Here we go. So once I remove that, then now I made space for something else. But like, I love this. I think it looks so cute. Can I layer this? No, I think we can get rid of digital declutter for now. And maybe we can, I'm still going to keep Fortitude. I still love this, but we can get rid of this guy and maybe we can place this instead. Yeah, because I think I love this building. I think it looks super cute. And layered together, not bad. I almost feel like you don't need it. Right now I just really wanted to highlight the designs as they are. You know what I mean? Like, this looks really pretty. This we can put maybe on a different section. Yes. So we can remove purpose. And we can remove this. Yeah, because I don't like too many like... no, I'll come back to this a little bit later. For now, it's okay the way it is. For now, this is fine. That works. I wish we had more dashboards. This is just me. But I mean, meet this beauty right here. I wanted to leave this section for, it's almost like best for last. And I would like to place one of these little cards here. We'll layer them somehow. We'll figure it out. It always takes me a little bit, just because I always kind of feel like when I receive it, I should like know how to, or where I'm going to put it. And sometimes I have no idea. I kind of figure it out as I start using the planner. Is that just me, or you guys do that too? But I love this. I kind of want to keep this actually at my desk. Both of these. Okay, for now they're okay the way that they are. I wanted to really get into the actual nitty gritty. I wanted to show you guys the actual sticky note and then some of the pens that I'm choosing that I think will be a compliment. I'm pretty sure that I have a darker Tombow pen than this, but for now this will do. If I find the if I find a code, I think it's N76 maybe. It's like this darker gray color. I'm also going to be using the Ascenti Soft highlighter from Monami, and this is in pastel green. I also have the Sarasa clip. This is the 0.5 in green. Really similar to actually what was coming out in the sub box. I swatched both of these in one of my pen reviews if you missed it. I'm also going to be using the Sarasa clip in brown. And just for kicks and giggles, I have the beautiful taupey one. So I think that those will be really cute. But I wanted to, I found one of my holders, so maybe we can put this here. Because why not? And maybe we can put the M here. That will look cute. Even if you just switch up your stuff like once in a while, it's totally fine. Makes a big difference. Okay. I haven't done anything for December, so this is not, obviously this is not a plan with me by any means. I don't think I've ever done a plan with me on this channel. If you guys are interested in watching a plan with me, let me know in the comments. Okay, so we can put something. Okay, let's remove this for. Ooh, I love this green. Okay, let's see if these two are a match. I don't think it will be, but no, this one is more bluish. If I find other pens that I think would match better, maybe I'll leave it in the comment section. This is definitely a darker one. Okay, let's see how you write. And it's December 9th actually. Here we go. So here's a close-up of how it looks like. The Sarasa pen, you can easily write with that. I'm not going to touch that because I want to make sure that it actually dries properly. And this is just normal sticky note paper. So if you wanted to kind of highlight that, you totally can. I think that this would be a really nice complement with the color. When we're going with gray, you can use red if you wanted to make it really festive. I think that keeping it as minimalist as possible is always best, but it's up to you. Sky's the limit. So let's talk about this guy. I'm not really switching too many things out in my existing planner until in a separate video I can walk you guys through the 2022 setup of how I'm actually doing that once all of my orders are coming. But this is actually fits perfectly into the plans because this is a monthly planner and a weekly planner. So you have a monthly layout, which is the same as what you just saw a moment ago, like really, really similar. Where you have the 2 months here, you have the month, and then you also have sort of the goals, the important dates, like everything that you might love about your monthly layout, currently from Cloth and Paper. And then we have just our normal vertical weekly, and that goes for the entire year. And then it's all divided with like these cute little, super cute. Like I really like this, and now I don't have to set up a separate a separate system just for something that gives me like a weekly layout. I will give you a quick spoiler that I actually bought the clear cover already that I think I can use for this. But let me just, one thing I wanted to show you is that if you guys receive this, to remove this plastic from there. If you love that clean, clear look. That glossy look, it looks so pretty. Right? And then same thing on the back, because otherwise like it just looks kind of dirty right now. And actually, just so you guys know, it's on both sides. So it's both on the inside and on the outside. And same thing on this side. So if you don't like this frosty look, if you love that like that beautiful clean glass look, then I recommend that you actually remove the from the inside as well. Because otherwise, like to me, it just like the plastic just looks kind of dirty. It does take, my goodness. It takes a minute to get it going. So, oh my lord, look how beautiful that looks. Let's just zoom out. Right? Can we get over this? This is all I have for you for today's video. In a separate video, I will do full unboxing of the haul for Black Friday that I've done, and for, of course, my 2022 setup. But for now, I just really wanted to unbox the November box so that you can kind of see what's happening here. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to the channel if you have not yet already. And in the meanwhile, just keep planning, you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye.